What's up, guys? Today, I want to share a quick update on DeFi Kingdom's upcoming Crystal Token Airdrop on Avalanche. Let's get into it. For those of you who don't know, DeFi Kingdoms is the #1 DEX on the Harmony blockchain, as well as the #1 crypto game by volume, according to DappRadar. It's currently beating out Axie Infinity by well over $100 million and has no plans to stop now. They recently released plans to move to the Avalanche ecosystem, creating a new token and heroes that they plan to airdrop to the community. The combination of incentivizing liquidity to the DEX by paying out tokens that can be used in-game has proven to be a winning strategy, made clear by Jewels' performance over the last few months, starting at around $1 in October and rising to about 20 3 months later. So I'm sure you're like, okay, I get it, but how do I get in on this airdrop? Well, way number one is to hold XJUNE. When you deposit Jewel tokens into the bank, you will receive a portion of the trading fees the protocol makes. XJUNE is essentially your receipt for your portion of the Jewel fee pool. Over time, more Jewel is added to the pool, meaning that one XJUNE is worth an ever-increasing amount of Jewel. The DeFi Kingdom team has set aside 600,000 crystal to be awarded to XJUNE holders according to their average holdings between January 3rd and January 24th, as well as 25 shiny Crystal Veil Gen 0 heroes in a raffle for these XJUNE holders. You will receive 1 entry for every 100 XJUNE and 2 additional raffle entries for every additional 100 XJUNE you have. Hey guys, smash that like button to support the channel so I can keep making these videos. And if you want to chat, join the MoreCoin Discord by clicking the link in the description below. It's a great place to talk to and learn from other crypto and DeFi enthusiasts, and best of all, it's free. Join the MoreCoin Discord today. Well, wait till after you finish the video. Okay, back to it. Way number 2 is to own heroes. Heroes are DeFi Kingdom NFTs that will allow you to play the game and currently let you go on quests. I'm still learning about the game and the different types of heroes, but at present, having heroes is a great way to get in-game items and earn extra Jewel. The DeFi Kingdoms team will be airdropping Crystal to owners of heroes shortly after the launch of Crystal Veil. You will get 1 crystal for every common hero, 2 for every uncommon, 4 for every rare, 8 for every legendary, and 16 crystal for every mythic hero you own. The snapshot will be on January 21st. Way number 3 is to summon heroes. Like I said before, I'm still learning about the game, so I'm not an expert on summoning. I do know that it's very expensive to do, especially now that Jewel's price has increased so much. The team seems to want to incentivize players to continue to summon, so each new hero summoned from January 1st until January 21st will result in 1 raffle entry for the player to win a shiny Gen 0 Crystal Veil hero. There will be 10 drawings for a total of 10 Gen 0s. Way number 4 is to hold Jewel on Avalanche. Holders of bridged Avalanche Jewels will receive a collective 100,000 crystal tokens shortly after the launch of Crystal Veil, according to their average Jewel holdings between, you guessed it, January 3rd and January 24th. Way number 5 is to provide liquidity to Jewel LPs on Harmony. The team will be airdropping a collective 300,000 crystal tokens to liquidity providers who have staked in the gardens on DeFi Kingdoms on Harmony. So, if you're like me, now you're thinking, how is introducing crystal going to affect the price of Jewel? Honestly, I don't know. From what I can tell, there are 2 schools of thought on this. Some believe that since you will now be able to farm Jewel on Avalanche, it will lead to more Jewel and crystal being locked in farms, shrinking the circulating supply, and having a positive impact on the Jewel and crystal price. Others believe that creating this new token will dilute the demand for Jewel, potentially splitting the community between Avalanche and Harmony. In my humble opinion, I think that the truth is somewhere in between. In the short term, I think that airdropping that many tokens at one time might not be great for the crystal token price. However, the fact that to get access to this early crystal you need to own Jewel seems to be extremely good for the Jewel token price. Alright guys, smash that like button to show your support for the channel, subscribe to get notified when I make new videos, and let me know what you guys think in the comments, or just come and let's discuss in the Discord. Next, you should check out my update video on Wonderland to get the real story about what that project is all about. I'll see you in the next video, and we can keep talking about getting more coins.